for 440 gig, we are all very excited. It's the next leap from 224 gig. Of course, we had, we from an industry point of view, there are still challenges in making 224 gig work. For things such as meeting the power budget, the retimer solution, etc. At 440 gig, the wish list includes essentially to be able to support SerDes that can be about 40 dB. It can support 1 meter of reach. We want extremely power optimized and cost optimized. So from a power point of view, within less than 10 picojoules per bit. Per a cost point of view, as less as possible compared to the previous generation. Maybe not much of a difference between the two. We are also looking at options from a copper and optics point of view. And of course, all these numbers are valid for both copper and optics. Of course, with optics, the reach would be more. So we're looking at typically 20 to 100 meters of reach with the optical solution. With the optical solution, we can look at both fast and narrow, as well as slow and wide. And within that, we can have the OBO as well as CPO intercepts, as well as some of the more advanced technologies like micro LEDs and VCSELs. So all of which belong to the slow and wide concept. For the fast and narrow, the OBO modules with 1.60, 6.40, 12.80 are all of interest. For CPO, again, extremely low powered modules with modules that can support 1.60 all the way to 12.80 would be of interest to the industry, and supporting SerDes from 224 gig to 448 gig. That would all be of interest. So I strongly think that this is a solvable problem. It will, but the industry needs to come together. So in addition to the AI workload, which is rapidly increasing in terms of communication, we also need good SerDes to make it work. We also need the connectors and the fiber cables to basically match for what we want it to do at 448 gig. So my hope would be that OIF continues to have this this position this pole position from which it can really herald the industry into the 448 gig era. That would be my hope.